I'm going to show you how to make the creamiest cream corn without cream you've ever made. Wrap the box grater in saran wrap. So you wrap it totally in the plastic wrap. And then you take a scissors and you cut out the panel that you're going to use. Now, why do you do that? Because when you grate corn, there's so much liquid and it's going everywhere, and you're trying not to lose it, not to lose the liquid. Look at all the liquid that comes out when you grate it. Now, I'm sure you're like me, like a lot of times you just like, so you can do the thing where you just cut the kernels off, but you're gonna really miss a lot of the corn juice that's in the cob. You know, you cut the kernels off the cob, it's quick. But this is the way to really get the super creamy. And it's interesting too, because I'm really seeing the difference. I got a kind of mix of corn. The white corn is the juicier corn than the darker yellow corn. Yeah, but boy, you get a lot of juice when you grate it. If I had a hammer, I'd hammer in the morning. Look at the progress here. This is from just grating. Look at all that. Look at that. No cream needed. I mean, who knows? Maybe to extend it, I'll add some cream, but you don't need it. So much flavor. This is the last corn on the cob, you guys. This is where I feel like I should be doing like a you know, telling a story or something.
Yeah, a little back in my day.
Yeah, back in my day, a man's word was as good as gold. Back in my day, a penny bought you something. Little oil. Look at all this, so you can see how it trapped in. And look at all that juicy, juicy cornness. Okay?
No cream added.
No cream added. So while you most definitely do not need cream for this, because it's plenty creamy, since I'm entertaining so many people, I'm probably going to add some just so it goes a little further. And then we'll add a little salt. So it's shallots, salt, cream. All right, I'm going to take a little taste and determine what comes next. It's definitely fresh, but I think it needs, I think I would put an immersion blender on it. So this is 10 ears of corn. You can also use some chicken broth. This is just cream. This is for the mashed potatoes. We ain't kidding around here. It's Thanksgiving. It'd be un-American not to have all this corn. I mean cream.
Indeed.
I keep it only C's confused. All right. Oh my God, it's so tasty. It's really tasty.